Working with Korg synthesizer libraries and have a KSC script file. This contains sound program references for Korg Trinity and Triton workstations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Korg Trinity Triton script files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the KSC format, but we'll attack the top issues first. KSC files are script files used by Korg Trinity and Triton music
Workstation synthesizers to organize and load sound programs. They contain references to sample data combinations, programs, and effects that the workstation loads as a complete sound library set during startup or song loading for consistent sound availability.
KSC script files use a Korg-specific text format containing structured directives that reference KMP sample programs and other Korg sound files. The format includes load commands, file path references, and organization metadata used by the Trinity and Triton firmware to construct complete sound libraries from individual component files. The native handler for KSC files is usually a Wave Studio from FMJ software. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows provides playback but lacks the full toolbox needed for precise audio adjustments. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your KSC file and select Open With. Test a Wave Studio if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. If your KSC file will not open, do not worry. You're dealing with a truly tricky KSC file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, loading on Korg Workstation. Transfer the KSC file along with all referenced KMP and sample files to your Korg Trinity or Triton workstation via floppy disk smart media card or USB depending on your model. Use the workstation's disk menu to load the KSC file, which automatically loads all reference components into the synthesizer memory. Next, editing in computer tools. Use Korg-compatible editing software like SoundTower Triton software, or Korg USB MIDI driver utilities on your computer to manage KSC files. These tools provide visual interfaces for organizing sound libraries, editing references, and creating custom KSC scripts. Save modified KSC files for use on the workstation. Finally, viewing as text. Open the KSC file in any text editor like Notepad++ since the format is text-based. View the script directives and file references directly. Manual editing is possible for advanced users who understand Korg's KSC syntax, allowing custom organization of sound libraries without requiring specialized editing software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.